Hey, Christmas light community. I wanted to show you the difference between the older LED C9 bulbs and the newer C9 bulbs, the SMDs. Um, I have two windows. One I did with the older lights, and one I did with the newer lights. I didn't actually know they were newer and older until nighttime and seeing the difference. So I will turn it around here. So you can see on the left and the gutter line are the older bulbs. They're not near as bright as the ones on the right window. Over here, these are your SMDs. So they are quite a bit brighter than these here. They look a little bit more, they look a little bit almost not really a pure white, but a little bit bright white versus a little bit of a warmer white. They're both warm white, but these here look a little bit more like the older warm white. So, please, if you want to check out how to make the frames of these videos, of how to make the frames either out of plastic, I'll put it up top, or the one out of wood and going around windows, I'll put it down here at the bottom. Thank you, and please subscribe to my channel. Have a great day.